Hey traders, this is Cousin Vinny coming to you from Day Trading Radio with a quick look at RIMM. A number of you have asked me why I'm still in the trade, and I'll go over that real quickly. I got into RIMM first on the March earnings call. I think KJ Trader and a couple other of you took the trade as well. It was a small trade, but I was trading the puts and did quite well on that trade. And as you can see, we gapped down again in May, and this is the most recent earnings here in on Friday, Thursday, and then Friday gap down. Okay, this gap down was a nice profit area. I got back into the trade on the move higher within intraday, and am since still in this trade to the downside. Okay, I took the profits I made from this gap down and I bought 10 October puts to move to trade this further down. And the reason why is, looking at the weekly again, I took this latest high and low and drew out some fib retracements. Okay, and if I zoom in on that, we can see it a little better. At this high and this low here, okay, we can see that the extensions here of this fib retracement, the 27.2 and the 618, are in play. When it lost the 27.2 decisively, I decided to hold on to this trade because it was also breaking this lower trend line. Now my target is the 618, and that's not too far off, and it's also the bottom of this range that, if you look out at the monthly, you can see where that range comes into play. Back here in 2004, 2006, that was that range that got knocked out before RIMM took off and went higher, and ultimately traded up to $148 before moving down to where it is now in the 27, 26 range. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the 618 level. Another drop down will be right around the 21 area. I'd look for a bounce there. Relative strength against the SPY is really terrible. Of course, the news is really bad, but I would look for a technical bounce there, and just personally a place where I'm going to take off those puts. Okay. Excuse me again. This is Cousin Benny coming to you from Day Trading Radio. Remember to stop by and take the 2-week free trial, and we'll talk to you in the room. Remember to take profits. Take care.